Honey, bad news. My car. Akala ko buntis ako that time. And then gusto kong kumain ng ice cream at saka pickles.
Good morning, Philippines!
Good morning, everything. Ngayon, guys, is Sunday. Oh my God, pagising ko kanina. Well, I don't know kung anong oras ako nagising, pero ang sakit hanggang ngayon. Dito yung tangkugo ko dito, yung sa back neck, and then connecting sa back ko sa ulo dito sa scalp, sa Masakit hanggang ngayon talaga, masakit. Hindi ko alam kung anong klaseng headache ito. Stress, tired, headache for no eating. I eat already breakfast. So yun guys, masakit talaga yun. Masakit talaga ulo ko guys. Anyway, si Tami andun sa CR lang. Wala akong planong lumabas ngayong araw. Wala akong planong wala akong plano. Kasi iba talaga yung ko. Palagi na lang natutulog ito si Dimple. Tignan niyo. Palagi ka na lang natutulog. Diam. Palagi ka na lang natutulog. Tulog na tulog, hindi Diam. My goodness. Sleepyhead. Aloy. Sleepyhead. Palagi na lang natutulog. Get down, the two of you. Get down, please. Get down. Get down. Get down. Hi, Mitch. What's wrong? Get down. I don't want you up here. Down, monkey.
Okay, if you want, I'm here.
Monkey, get down. Get down, monk. You're such a monkey. Yes, you are such a monkey. Your dad is doing.
Watching her eyes.
Yeah. Hi, monkey. Hello, monk. Hi. Hi, baby monkey. What do you want? Look, your sister's sleeping. Hi, good morning.
Morning.
Sleepyhead. Sleepyhead, yeah? She's so cute. She have a pretty face. Dimples have a pretty face. Look at her. Damn. Pretty face. Damn. Office, my baby. You can't even open your blinds.
Okay.
A woman gets run over on a walking path.
Nice view outside. Very nice. You have water lake. What time is the thing start, honey? The TV thing. My husband is a dancer. We're hiring a dancer, guys. Do you wanna apply? For my husband. Would you like that?
No, I think you're crazy.
Fatal head, neck, and back injuries just moments after students left their classroom. He was a popular and sports-loving student at St. Bridget's National School in Castleknock, North Dublin.
Why are you
The
here?
source said it was a freak accident. The children were just leaving school. It's believed to have fallen more than 12 feet from the second floor of the two-story
Now you're back to your gaming?
Blaze fought for his
Han,
life
why,
for 2 weeks in
Han,
hospital
why
and
you
died
don't
last
have a
Wednesday.
job? Why don't we do both do gaming, Han? People would love to see that. Han, you would enjoy it.
No, I would not.
So he
I'm
played
believing I would
in
not.
youth soccer, the K20.
Yes, let me know guys if Tammy need a gaming channel. We both do gaming.
Only published the story March 6th. Right in
Han, can we do gaming? You cannot? How? Can you just talk to your daddy? Talk to your daddy. Tell him to have a gaming channel. I'm just going to get the phone holder, tripod, camera tripod, and the desk for the cat. Okay, kunin ko lang yung tripod ng guys, ng camera natin kasi nandun pala sa dito pala sa car. Hindi ko pala inano. And also, ang dami pang laman ng sasakyan ko. May mga laman. Kung ano yung dala namin kahapon, ganun. I think andito yung desk. Hindi pa namin feel mag-ano ng sasakyan, mag-empty. Wala namin kaming lakad, so... Wala, somebody did a key. Tingnan nyo guys, itong mga tao talaga. This is a key thing, oh. Somebody keyed my car. Holy f. Yeah, this is not a thing. Somebody did this intentionally. Somebody did, oh my god. You know, somebody like, you know, have the car key and slide it in the car. Intentionally. Oh my god, I can't. Piss me off. Oh my god. Because this is not like a normal line, no? I don't know if you can see. Line, no? Chung, 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 chung. And it's deep. I'm gonna tell Tommy. Because that's what happened, guys. Yung mga tao talaga, ito yung para sa pusa sa labas. Mabigat. Kapag may hangin, hindi lilipad. Honey! Bad news! My car! Somebody keyed my car! Somebody key my car. Yes. You don't even see that? It's in the trunk. It's not even a normal just scratch. It's deep and it's like it's weaving like this. This is really piss me off. It's just next time I'm not gonna freaking park close to anybody anymore. Somebody did it. What if people are fun?
There's so much more. Or sex trafficking. That was a gymnastics coach. If I can find that story, I'll bring it back to
That's
Ireland.
really bad, huh?
Here's from.
How bad is it?
I mean, I hate it.
Is it really deep?
It's not really. It's deep, honey. It's not normal scratch. It's deep and it's like this.
Former Terraner College.
Maybe it can be buffed out.
Huh?
Maybe it can be buffed out. Is it still white?
Kids
Or is it deep enough that it's no longer
back in the
painted?
70s.
No, it's still white, but honey, it's like.
George Gibney,
You can probably buff it out.
former Olympic swimming coach who has faced multiple
Huh?
abuse allegations. There were
Yeah, of
a lot
course, you walk in here and hungry for your food.
Don't look at me. He looks at you and look at me. Don't give me that look. Don't give me that look.
Means I get food. You come, I get food.
That is not yours.
I'll take it myself. You don't give it to me. I'm just gonna get it myself.
Oh my God, Hubs.
I think after a while,
You know what? He tried to open it and with poking
I'll
his
get it
head.
myself, Mom. I just
You cannot have that. You know that. It's too much already.
that went on because as a
I know you cry, honey. Honey, the meow.
Hillary Clinton happened to
because
be
it can give me a little help here instead of just
in that
taking pictures of me.
Meow.
ballistic missile called Savannah House. It's
Wow. Oh my God, you're so cute. What is the problem?
two or three of them are
What is the problem? Oh.
at the scene. All these people were dying mysteriously. I should say this is not from that trip. It's a different picture.
Unless you're out racing your hand, so you take out the go behind you, onto the back of the couch, and push the bag off your head.
There's a lot of bites in there that he can smell it already. Don't do it, Jerry. It's weird. It tickles me. Dimples.
So remember, look at this. She's an
It's good. People love you, Morgan. People love my little boy. Look at this, honey. My little. Oh, Dimple's face. Like she's so upset. Look at her Dimple's face, honey. Honey, look at Dimple's face.
it.
Oh, Didi, huh?
thing about that woman, her last name is AM1 and the Clinton Foundation. And he had been 2017, so perhaps he was ready to his death.
Okay, I'll put this back. And then, let me try the apples there, if she will eat this.
Nevada.
Okay, then.
Joan Huber, by the way, is connected. History.
And they didn't eat their dinner.
They did.
You did. Yeah.
Death has shocked the family of the writer.
Come here, mate.
Was that some sort of
Okay, that's it. I really have to hide this shit. Sleepy puppy puppy, sleepy puppy puppy, sleepy sleepy sleepy, sleepy puppy puppy, 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 sleepy puppy puppy. Like you don't care, I'm dancing over here. You just don't care. I'm gonna puppy, I'm I'm dancing for you. You don't sleep inside. You don't care. You don't care. Look at that. Look at them dancing and dancing, baby. Your mommy's dancing. Okay, what? Am I stinky? Am I stinky to you? Nag-stop muna ako guys mag-edit kasi so dito I have to stop, and then this is what happens when you're home and then you don't think of anything except food. So I'm going to have rice. This is our lunch. Rice and yung nilagang baka. Yun lang. And you know what guys? It's the first time ever Tammy yelled at me. I said, Han, I'm not
yell at you. What are you freaking kidding?
It's first time he raised his voice like, you're not cooking? Oh, good. No, he's joking when he say that, but I end up laughing. That's the first time he react that way. Review.
I thought it was funny.
Yeah, it was fun the way you said. And I kind of shocked a little bit, but I was like, oh, okay, it's a joke. I said, Han, I'm not cooking dinner. Oh, you're not cooking. We have rice, we have pasta. Do you still have salad?
No. A little bit, but I'm going to use it in this.
No, I'm talking about
There's
the
all
salad
missing.
that is not cut.
I think I got two.
But we have chicken. The pasta that Tammy made, I don't even show it to you guys. You know what? He invented pasta. Nah, he invented pasta dish with... No, it's not he invented. He kind of like making up this freaking dish. He just think, oh, okay, I'm gonna put this. Okay, I'm gonna put this. Han, I'm gonna end up baking this. He cooked this pasta. He boiled it. He put some different kind of cheese and this sauce and stuff. And he ended up like, I feel like baking it. He ended up baking it and it ended up like, it's good, guys. He didn't put salt. It's just the sauce and cheese and stuff. It's ended up really good. I mean, I like it, hon. I like the pasta, honey. I like the pasta instead of the juicy pasta, like too much sauce. I hate pasta that's
Well, I like sauce, but...
I'm gonna give my husband a company. Oh, you have company. You have company, love.
Delete stuff off of this drive. So I put stuff from this drive onto that drive to put other stuff on this drive. Which is stupid.
What the?
Because this is a Windows drive, so it doesn't, Mac can't really write to that.
Hi guys! So ngayon, magbubuhol tayo ng egg. Magbuhol po ako ng egg dahil nagustuhan ko yung salad ni Tammy na yung may egg. Oh guys, I'm going to also, this one, I'm going to put cat dry food here. And then every night ilagay ko siya sa labas kasi guys si Liam pala yung kumakain yung puti kasi sabi ni Tammy may isang katulad ni Liam na kumakain, so akala ko hindi yun sa kapitbahay. So ngayon naano ko patay parang sa kapitbahay yun na pusa ba, so naanuhan ko na magagalit yung may-ari ng pusa kapag kumakain siya ng kumakain kasi may free na pagkain sa labas everyday. And then pag uuwi sila sa kanila, hindi siya kakain, di ba? And then magagalit yung may-ari kasi baka iba yung diet niya, ganun ba? So kaya sabi ko kay Mister, kailangang every night kasi inano kasi yan nila yung pusa. Pinapasok nila sa labas. Pinapasok nila sa loob ng bahay. So, kaya sabi ko, every night na lang yung dry food kasi para yung talagang totoong pusa, yung totoong taga-outsider cat na yung makakain. I know I'll never love this way again. I keep holding on. Hey guys, totoo ba na ano, yung anak ni Chris Aquino na si Josh nakabuntis? God, ang dami kong nakikita sa YouTube. Talaga, totoo ba to? Si Joshua nakabuntis? And then, ang pinakita doon is yung yaya. Hinugasan ko ng maigi yung ano guys, yung salad. Kasi usually, wala akong nakikita na mga parang mga lamok-lamok ba, na mga maliliit. Hinugasan ko siya, and then tinitignan ko yung tubig. Ano pala, ang daming lamok-lamok. Parang ang daming madumi na hindi ko magits. Okay, meron pala tayong naglaba pala ako guys. Kasi, yun na. Oh God. Dalhin ko lang yan sa aming tami. So, ito siya. Mga damit ni Mister, mga pajama niya. Kasi mahilig siyang mag-ano kasi. Ano yun? What the heck? You guys, when you guys eat, you always drop it on the floor. Kaya palagi kong hinuhugasan yung ano, yung floor pagkatapos nilang kumain kasi nakakaluka. Palagi na lang ganun yung drama namin dito. Si Roxy o si Misty at saka si Misty magkukuha sila ng ano, kain nila, and then pagkatapos niyan, tawag nun, ilagay sa floor. So, yung floor palagi kong hinuhugasan. Itong si Tami, palagi kong sinasabihan na yung pantalon niya is i-fold niya. I-fold para malagay dito. Pero hindi nakinig talaga. Yun. Ito siya, may mga pantalon siya dito. Kailangan niya itong i-fold para ilagay doon sa taas. So, thankfully, yung mga ginawa ko dito, okay pa naman. Yung iba is nagtuwad baliskad na. Pero yun, ang dami pang ano niya dito. Ginawa na niyo yung salad, guys. Oh, looks so good, love. Looks, it looks so good. It tastes so good too, love. Oh, where's the egg, hon?
I didn't take it out.
I can't find the eggy. Okay, the egg's here. So, yan guys, kain lang kami. Let's eat. It's almost 7 o'clock na pala. So, let's find the chicken. Hey, how many chicken do you want?
President Trump's face.
I guess
Before
two.
he started speaking, standing there.
Only 2?
Look on his face.
Okay, because you know, you give to the dog and it's very little. I told Tommy, we're gonna use the micro dishwasher now, guys. We're not gonna wash dishes by hand. Nakaka-amaze na matagal ko na pala silang pamilya. Hindi ko maano ba na, uy, may family talaga ako dito. Hindi man kadugo, pero sa ano ba, parang sa connection. So, hindi man ko man sila, ano, yung, ano ko pa sila na, nakikita ko sila noong may mga girlfriend pa, yung kinasal kami, mga bata pa sila. Hindi man bata, pero yung mga girlfriend ng mga papi, love, ganun. May mga ano na, yung isa, doktor na, yung isa, yung anak ni Andrea. Ano siya? Doktor, yung isa din panganay, halos kaedad ko. Maganda din yung trabaho. Yung isa, okay din yung trabaho, yung bunso. Yung bunso, yung life ba na kapag tumatanda ka na, nakakaloka kasi makikita mo yung mga bata pang nakilala mo. May mga anak na, ikaw wala pa. Naiwan ako, guys. Naiwan ako sa Erie. Yung mga pamangkin ni Tami, may mga anak na. Yung doktor, magkaanak na siya, malapit na. Naiwan talaga ako sa Erie. Alam nyo noon, pag bagong kasal kami ni Tami, palagi nilang sinasabi, gusto nilang magkabibi ito kasi walang sumusunod sa family name nila. Puro, kasi siya lang kasi yung lalaki na, yung isa kasi nawala na, diba? So, So, siya na lang. So, gusto nilang magkaanak. Tinatry namin at akala ko buntis ako. Akala ko buntis ako that time. Ang nangyari that time, winter, akala ko buntis. Yung kapatid nila na babae na panganay yung namatay. Dali-dali kami. Sinabihan niya yung anak niya, oh, Christine, punta kayo CVE. So, pinag-drive kami ni Tami. Pupunta kami doon. Kami lang pala nag-drive. Bibili ng mga, yung pregnancy test. Kasi akala talaga namin, buntis ako. Kasi that time, iba yung pakiramdam ko lately, mga ilang days na. And then, gusto kong kumain ng ice cream. At saka pickles. Yun. So, doon nag-trigger na na akala talaga nila buntis ako. At saka wala akong alam sa mga ganun, yung mga ice cream, and then pagkatapos pickles. And then, gabi pa yun, guys. Gabi na gabi. So, doon nila na hala, baka daw buntis ako. Kasi di nagtatanong ako kung ano ba, bakit kayo na buntis ako? Kasi gusto mo ng ice cream. And then ngayon, pickles na naman. So yun, akala talaga, din itong isa excited. Pero, pagbalik namin galing sa nawala yung excitement kasi hindi ako buntis. Lang pala siya, parang nag-crave lang pala ako na, yun siya, guys. You remember that, Han?
What do I remember?
When Susie, Christine, Alex in the house, that was long time ago. Long time ago. And then I feel like eating ice cream and pickles. And then they think I'm pregnant, and they would somebody, I think Susie and Mom said, go to CVS and get some pregnancy test because they think I'm pregnant. Craving sa ice cream and pickles.
They all say pickles and ice cream. That's not always true, but that was like it's an old wives' thing.
So I was craving that. I'm like, I want ice cream, and I said, oh, I want to eat pickles. And then suddenly everybody think, let's go to CVS. We thought we were pregnant, but after I pee, everybody
she was
said,
she was really just hungry.
no, I don't even have any clue what is pickles. So that's why I start asking why. What's wrong with pickles and ice cream? Yeah, it looks need more vinegar in it. And then we put the chicken. Get the chicken, love. The honey, go honey. Next time we do salad like this, okay? Don't do blah. I'm gonna buy more salad. Hi guys! So, mag-ice cream tayo at saka dito tayo sa office ni Tami. We're gonna end the video because I'm gonna watch a movie here. Amazon Prime. We're gonna watch Amazon Prime, right, baby boy? Okay, I'm gonna shut the TV off here, okay? Anyway guys, I'm going to end into this vlog. Wala naman kasi maganap kasi, so thank you so much guys for watching, and I will see you guys. You will see me tomorrow on here in our channel. And see Nay Nay love.
Hi guys.
Nay guys.